Now let us do exercise 6.2. To do exercise 6.2, let us take two triangles first. Now keep in mind that for any two triangles to be similar, there are two things which are necessary. What are those things? Those things: corresponding angles have to be equal. A, B, C, D, E, F. This means angle A should be equal to angle D. B has to be equal to E, and this one has to be equal to this one. When this type of triangles are there, then these can be known as similar only if other condition is also fulfilled. The other condition is that corresponding sides are proportionate. This one should be proportionate to this one has to be proportionate to this one, and these. When these two conditions are fulfilled, only then these two triangles can be considered as similar. And on the basis of this only, we get BPT theorem or Thales theorem. So, for that theorem, this is the base. Similarity of the triangle. As per the BPT theorem, the Thales theorem, it is clearly given that whenever there is a triangle and there is a parallel which divides the triangle and forms another similar triangle, then AX upon XB is equal to same proportion as AY upon YC. These are segregated into same proportions, these sides, because two similar triangles are being formed. You can see this Thales theorem in another video which I have also recorded for you people. However, on the basis of this theorem, we will do the next questions now. Now we will do exercise 6.2 on the basis of what we have done. What we stated in BPT theorem, that whenever there is a line drawn parallel to the base, then this line divides the other two sides in the same proportion, which means that for finding EC in the first image and for finding AD in the second image, we will apply that theorem only. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the same proportion. AD is 1.5 and DB is 3, AE is 1 and EC. Now we will cross multiply, which means 1.5 into EC is equal to 1 into 3. So when this comes here, it will be reciprocal. So EC is coming as 2 centimeter. This is the same proportion, you can see. This becomes double. Similarly, here also the lower part becomes double. Now we will do the other question in the same manner. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now AD we have to find. DB we are given with 7.2 centimeter. Excuse me. AE is 1.8 and 5.4. Again we will cross multiply. AD into 5.4 is equal to 1.8 into 7.2. Now AD will remain on the left side and 5.4 will go to the other side. Now since these have only one decimal, so this is 3 times and this is 2.4 centimeter. It is so simple with that theorem. Now the question is other way around. It says E and F are points on sides of PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. There is a triangle PQR and PQ and PR have 2 points E and F. For then state if this is EF is parallel to, we have to state whether this drawn line EF is parallel to QR or not. This is the same question in the other way. Now if it would have been parallel, then the proportions will be same for both the sides. 3.9 centimeter is PE. EQ is 3 centimeter. PF is 3.6 centimeter and FR is 2.4. If this line is parallel, then the proportions will be same, equal. So this means 3.9 upon 3 is equal to, which means PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. We have assumed that EF is parallel to QR. Then this will be true. 3.6 upon 2.4. So this will be 1.3 upon 1. 0.3 upon 0.2. So these are not equal. The proportions are different. So our assumption is wrong. And EF is not parallel to QR. The other way round to solve this will be cross multiplication. 3.9 upon 3 is equal to 3.6 upon 2.4. Cross multiply. .8 and this will be 9.36 and this is 10.18, which are not equal. When LHS is not equal to RHS, this means that this is not satisfied, and when this is not satisfied, then these two lines are not parallel to each other. Now let us do question third. Again it is on the basis of BPT theorem that we did. In this figure, if LM is parallel to BC, LM is given as parallel to BC and LN is given as parallel to CD. Prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Now what happens? I have already told you many times that whenever you are given with this kind of question to prove something, first of all you have to write given. What is given here? It's given that LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. The other thing is to prove. What you need to prove here is AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Now comes the proof. What will you do? First of all, you will apply the BPT theorem. You will write it. You have to tell the teacher that yes, as per BPT theorem. How do you come to this thing? As per BPT theorem, when ML is parallel to BC, this is given to us. LM is parallel, you will write it as LM, not ML. When LM is parallel to BC, then AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC. We have done this previously also in BPT theorem, that whenever there is a parallel line, then this is divided in the same proportion as the other side of the triangle. Take it as 1. Now, same theorem as per BPT theorem, when LN is parallel to CD, then this will also be divided in the same proportion. AN upon ND will be equal to AL upon LC. This will be taken as the second equation. When you take, considering 1 and 2, both are equal to same thing. 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3. This means when 1 is equal to 2 and 2 is equal to 3, then 1 is definitely equal to 3. Same thing applies here. Both are equal to AL upon LC. So, AM upon MB is equal to AN upon ND. Hence, proved. This is what we wanted to prove. Both these are equal to the same thing. So, these are equal themselves also.